girl, these inches. Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. It ain't Wednesday, it's Friday, and this video is gonna be a little bit different. This is like a little mosh posh of what is going on right here. This is a Valentine's Day special. I'm gonna give you hair, I'm gonna give you outfit, and I'm gonna give you wine, okay? The perfect night for Valentine's Day. So what we're going to start off with is this wine, honey. I think I've showed this before. This wine is the Apothic red wine. It's only $9.99. It's a really good, easy red wine to kind of slip you into like red wine tasting. So for you and your man or your girl or whoever that's coming over the house, you can go ahead and pick up, you know, a nice, cute wine. This one's from Target. It was $9.99. Easy on the pocket, just like the rest of this stuff. So let's go ahead and get in this hair. This hair is from samsbeauty.com. Now, samsbeauty.com is an online beauty supply store where you can buy wigs, you can buy weaves, you can buy all types of items. You can buy bundle deals, and this hair was a bundle deal. It's Alley Hair on samsbeauty.com, and this hair came as like a bundle set. So it came with a closure that was 18 inches, and then there were 3 bundles. So it was 26, 28, and 30-inch bundles. I fit all 3 on the cap, and this is what we got right here. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she lit? Honey, you show up with this hair, girl, I don't even know what your man's gonna do. Now, the hair was a little bit dry at the ends. I did have to trim it off. I didn't really wash all the bundles. I only washed the closure, so I can't really speak on the texture of the hair, but for so far, I love the hair. It is soft, and it curled very, very well. Now, as far as this outfit, it all came from AMI Clubwear. I'm gonna show y'all this full outfit, everything that I'm wearing, and then I'll be back. So this whole outfit is from AMI Clubwear, and it only costs about 30 bucks. And I'm gonna start off with this sexy sweater dress. It's in the color beige, and I have it in a size small. It hugs my body in all the right places, and it shows like this beautiful sort of off the shoulder look that accents your whole entire body, and I love this dress. Look at that booty popping, honey. Yes, ma'am. Now for the boots, these are like Lycra boots with a wooden heel, and they were only $9.99 from AMI Clubwear. And you keep these boots on all night. And for this watch, it's called the FRANKIE. It's from JORD. I have a giveaway link for them down below, so check that out as well. I hope y'all enjoy this Valentine's Day special. I'll leave all the links to every single item that I'm wearing down below. Yeah, that's basically it. I will see you guys once again for another Valentine's Day special. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.